What you're about to hear is raw dispatch and body cam audio from an active scene at an apartment complex on White River Parkway. Officers arrived after reports of people fleeing into the parking lot, and the situation escalated quickly. You'll hear officers repeatedly ordering suspects to show their hands and get on the ground, followed by the urgent call of shots fired and a report that someone was struck. The recording captures the immediate response, securing the scene, rendering first aid, and checking for additional threats. This is intense, real audio from an unfolding incident, so viewer discretion is advised. Play the clip.
We're pulling into the apartment complex. 2145 White River Parkway.
2145 White River Parkway.
Going westbound or eastbound on the lot.
Eastbound.
Looks like they're pulling a parking spot.
Show me your fucking head. Stay right there. Stay right there. Show me your hands.
When I go.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey. I'm shot. Shoot. Shoot her down. Shoot her down.
Cars west for this apartment complex off of White River.
Show me your fucking head. Stay right there. Stay right there. Show me your hands.
When I go.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey. Get fired. I'm shot. Get fired. I'm shot. Shoot. Shoot her down. Shoot her down.
Cars west for this apartment complex off of White River and Lafayette.
Roll them on the side, check those.